You can earn money from the comfort of your home with the sources that I'll share with you today. They work for absolutely free and are worldwide available, so anyone can join. In order to set them up properly, you need to follow me step by step till the end of this tutorial. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already and you are new to this channel, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'm going to notify you whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online. And you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. So without any further ado, I'm going to start right away with this video so I can show you everything, and stay tuned because I'm going to give you multiple sources. Your very first source is this one here called Remotasks, and it's over at remotasks.com. You can earn in US dollars doing online tasks from the comfort of your home, and you can join their community of more than 240,000 of taskers. As you can see, they have paid out more than $15 million, and it is available in more than 90 countries. You're going to see here people from Venezuela, Philippines, Kenya, and also Vietnam and so on. They are giving their opinion about this platform, and also you can click on see more testimonials over here. So let's see how it works. You're going to do some tasks and get paid. It's very simple. You're going to just upload images, transcribe audios and so on, and it's very easy because you're going to learn first of all through some online courses or free hands-on training how to do those tasks, and once you complete them, you're going to get paid in US dollars weekly, and you can get paid in PayPal money or AirTM. So PayPal is available, which is pretty awesome because I know that most of you like to get paid in PayPal money. So no prior experience is required, and you can get free training just like I said before. It's very awesome actually because everyone can get started, even a beginner. You can unlock your potential, you can level up and earn more, and you're going to of course get paid the most once the task is going to be more difficult. You can work from anywhere and anytime. You're going to have a flexible schedule. All you need is a computer and internet connection. So you can even learn some other information about this platform by just checking out some of the frequently asked questions over here, and of course you're going to just sign up for absolutely free by clicking on start earning today or the sign up button in the upper right corner. In the next page, you're going to just agree to a terms of service, and then you're going to continue with Facebook or Google in order to create your account. And most importantly, you're going to have consistent work. So there are new projects coming in always, and also there are some long-term projects that you can consistently work on. You're going to get paid every week, and you can earn a living from these jobs. This was over at remotasks.com. I highly recommend that you try it out. Now let me proceed to the second platform for today. This one is called Survey Time, and it's over at surveytime.io. You can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. You can sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, or manually by clicking here or sign up with your email. I want to show you some of the reviews on Trustpilot. So you're going to notice that I got more than 10,000 of reviews with 4.5 stars, which shows that most of the people have rated this platform as excellent. So this is a verified company from Trustpilot, which means that this is a legit one that is going to get you paid. And you're going to get paid through Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, PayPal money, also cryptocurrency through Coinbase, which is pretty awesome. Let's scroll down in order to see some other information as well, like you're going to sign up for Survey Time for absolutely free, and then you're going to tell them about yourself by doing an introductory survey where you're going to tell some information about you, and after that they are going to know more about you and going to send you some surveys that suit your interest the best. So you're going to see that you can start earning cash for surveys. For each service you're going to get paid $1. So you need to use this platform because first of all, no withdrawal threshold is available. So it means that once you complete a survey, you're going to get paid instantly. There is no point that you need to accumulate and so on. You're going to just cash out in the way that you want between PayPal, Amazon, gift cards and so on. So they offer surveys for you. They match their surveys to your interest based on the answer that you gave on that introductory survey, just like I said before. So you can never miss a new survey because they're going to update and notify you in your preferred method, as you can see, so you can never miss out on a chance to complete the survey for money. You're going to get $1 rewards every time you complete a survey that can take like 5 minutes or even 15 minutes. And even if you are in the Philippines or in the US, you're going to get paid $1. And as you can see, it is available from anywhere in the world. So they also offer an affiliate program that you can check out by clicking down here. And after that, in the next page, you're going to notice that this is called an ambassador program. Is the same way, and you're going to just apply to their ambassador program by putting your email address over here, your full name, the Skype username, and click on the continue button. You're going to get your affiliate link, and you're going to start promoting survey time to people that are interested in making money online. Like this, you're going to make money in passive income and also maximize your earnings. You can measure some of the best features that this platform offers that you can even read in the left hand side. So this was the second platform for today. I'm going to proceed to the next one, which is going to be also the last one actually, and that one is called Streetbeast. I'm over at their app over at Google Play Store, but they do offer an app on App Store that I'm going to show you in a minute, and also a website, an official website that you can check out by yourself. You can even go on Google and search for Streetbeast, and it's going to give you also their website. So you can install this platform, this app, for absolutely free on your phone, your Android or iOS device. You're going to see that here on Google Play Store they got 1 million of downloads, more than 1 million actually, and also 4.3 stars with more than 98,000 of reviews. But let's see what this app is about. You're going to see that you can get paid to chat, you can share your thoughts, take pictures, earn cash. You can earn cash quickly, no minimum payout is available, so you can just request your payment as soon as you get paid like $5 per each story that you're going to share. Also, your opinions are going to change brands. But let's see some other information, how it works. You're going to see that you can share moments of your everyday life. You can share a picture, for example, of your hobby or what you snack on, the technology that you use, and you're going to get paid $5 each time you do that. So it works like this. You're going to download the app, create an account, become a bee, and after that you're going to take some stories that are available for you. It's going to take you like 2 to 5 minutes to complete them, and this involves anything from quick opinion polls to fun photos, video responses, and so on. And you're going to get paid in PayPal money, which is pretty awesome. And as I said before, they do offer an app on App Store. You're going to notice that this is called Streetbeast over here, and they got like 1.1 thousands of ratings with 4.4 stars, which is a pretty good review. So you can check it out, and also they offer a website, as I said before. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, you can give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know your opinion about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and me as well to support me. Thank you for watching.